So, hi everyone. My today's topic is sense organs of insect. This is my small trial of teaching. So, let's appreciate my work, guys. So, my topic is sense organ of insects. Then, actually, the before going to the sense organ, know about sensory receptor. Okay. So, sensory receptor is what? Sensory receptor is a specialized neuron. Okay, that transduce the energy of the stimuli and transmit the signals to the central nervous system. Okay, so the stimuli, then the transduction, that is the sensory receptor, and then the perception, that is the CNS. Okay, so for the this process, that is the sensory receptor, there is different receptor. Okay, so that is the mechanoreceptor, like for the mechanical pressure, that is the pressure created, and then audio receptor, the sound, the chemoreceptor by the signal by the chemical, thermoreceptor by the temperature, then photoreceptor by the light. Okay, so then sensilla are the organs that are associated with the sensory perception. So this is the sense organ. Okay, and develop from the normally epidermal cell. So different type of sense organ. Okay, so first one we will go for mechanoreceptor. Okay, so mechanoreceptor, that is the detect mechanical forces. Okay, actually here it responds to the sense of touch, that due to the contact which with the external it can be external solid objects, air current, then water current, or even because of the internal body pressure. Okay, so in mechanoreceptor, that is the main four type are the main, that is a it's like actually it's a five type. That is the first one is the articulated sensory hair, that is the trichoid sensillum. Okay, then the campaniform sensilla, that is the dome sensilla, then croton organ, then multipolar stress receptor, and the last one is the static organ. Okay, so firstly we'll go for trichoid sensilla. Okay, so it can be low, like what is the trichoid sensilla? Okay, so trichoid sensilla is a simple articulated sensory organ, that is hair like little sense organ, and it is associated with the spots and the seta. So we know where is the spots and seta is present. So these cells are sensitive to touch. Okay, and located in the antenna, that is, and the trophy, that is the mouth part. Okay, sometimes it's like it is present in the like cerci, tibia, tarsi also. Okay, control it help is what is the function of the trichoid sensilla? Okay, it control flights in locals, com construction in the worker bee. Okay, and then some movement, there is a stridulatory movement in the crickets. Okay, actually just the sensilla, the trichoid sensilla grouped into together in like form the hair plates. Okay, and then a distal field where they function as the proprioceptor. So what is the proprioceptor? That is the it's like mainly the sensilla with the body position. Okay, body position with response to the gravity. So the trichoid sensilla function as the proprioceptor and perceive earthborne vibration in the terrestrial insect and water surface vibration in the aquatic insect. Okay. Then insect mechanism attack the tactile receptor, proprioceptor, then the sound receptor. Okay, detecting movement of object in objects in the environment. Proprioceptor, that is sensory input. I already discussed about the position, orientation, body, and its appendages with respect to the gravity. And then the sound receptor, that is the frontal organ. So mechanoreceptor is the articulated hair, sensory hair, that is the trichoid sensilla campaniform, and the frontal and multi-receptor stage, stress receptor. They already discussed about the trichoid. Then campaniform sensilla, it is the dome shaped like structure. Okay, there that actually this is not externally visible structure. Okay, they usually serve as the press receptor of the exoskeleton. So the last one is the crotonal organ. Okay, so crotonal organ. Okay, So this is consist of scolopedia. Okay, so scolopedia क्या है? Now it is the bipolar sensory neuron associated enclosed by the scolopal cell forming a sheath and capped by a cap cell. So I will show in the picture. Okay. Then the multi molar and from for coronal organ there are the different example. The first one is the Muller's organ. So where you can find the Muller's organ in Acridiidae. Okay, in the Acridiidae group, that is the inner member of the scolophore forming a squalene. It is a swelling structure in the Acridiidae of the inner surface of the tympanum. ठीक है, टिम्पैनम के inner surface में एक swelling type दिखेगा एक्रेडिडाई में, जिसको हम मुलर्स ऑर्गन कहेंगे, और इसका क्या काम होगा? ना ऑडिटरी. ठीक है. सो सेम टोटल ऑर्गन जॉनसन ऑर्गन. तो हम लोग सबको पता है जॉनसन ऑर्गन कहाँ पे है ना, पेडिसिल में है. तो पेडिसिल क्या है? पेडिसिल क्या है? एंटीना का सेकेंड पार्ट. ठीक है, तो पहले इसके पेडिसिल देन फ्लैजेलम. तो सेकेंड पार्ट इज पेडिसिल. सो जॉनसन ऑर्गन प्रेजेंट इन द पेडिसिल. ओके, सो जॉनसन ऑर्गन किस किस में एब्सेंट होता है ना? कोलम्बेला में एब्सेंट होता है, और किस में एब्सेंट होता है ना? डिप्लोरा में एब्सेंट होता है. ठीक है, सो इसका डिफरेंट डिफरेंट फंक्शन भी होता है, और ये प्रोपियोरिसेप्टर ही है. ठीक है, तो किसका क्या फंक्शन होता है? जैसे मेल चिरोनोमिड्स में है और कुलिसीड में क्या फंक्शन होता है इसका? ऑडिटरी फंक्शन. ओके, और जैसे एक्वेटिक इंसेक्ट हो गया तो वेलोसिटी रिसेप्टर हो गया. जब फ्लाइट स्पीड का रेगुलेट करना होगा तो उसमें हनी भी आ जाएंगे, और क्या आ जाएंगे ना? कैलिफोरा भी, कैलिफोरा ऑल्सो इंक्लूड. ओके, और क्या करता है ना? नोटोनेक्टा पता है? नोटोनेक्टा एंड कुरिस्टिक्टाई में वो क्या करते हैं ना? ऑर्गन ऑफ ओरिएंटेशन ड्यूरिंग स्विमिंग. ओके, सो कमिंग टू द लास्ट वन, देन that is the subgenual organ. Okay, so this is the prototal organ located in the proximal tibia of each leg, used to detect the substrate vibration. Okay, so found in most insect except the Coleoptera and the Lepidoptera. Sorry, Coleoptera and the Diptera. So Filifor is a hearing organ present in the Chiriocampine hawk moth. So this is the Muller's organ. Okay, so this is the Muller's organ. That is the swelling form in the Acridiidae in the inner layer of the, this is the tympanum. This is the inner layer of the tympanum, the swelling form, that is the Muller's organ. Okay, so coming to the trichoid sensilla, this is the this is the simple sensory hair. Okay, so hair by a trichogen cell. Where is the trichogen cell? So hair by the trichogen cell and socket by the tormogen cell. Okay, this is the socket by the tormogen cell and hair by the trichogen cell. This is the scalopel cap. Okay, and this is the scalopel. Okay, so then the campodiform sensilla. So campodiform sensilla is the dome shaped structure, okay, in the cuticle. This is the campodiform sensilla. Then coming to the Johnston organ, this is the swelling form in the pedicel, that is the Johnston organ. The scale in pedicel, this is the flagellum. Okay, so this is the structure, that is the pedicel. Okay, and then this is the pedicel. Okay, and this is the Johnston organ. Okay, and this is a subgenual organ. Okay, the subgenual organ is there, one side attached to the cuticle. Okay, this one, and one side attached to the trachea. Okay, this is the proximal part of the tibia. Okay, in the subgenual organ present. Then the static organ. Okay, static organ, that is the for the balancing and to the maintain the equilibrium. Okay, So example, the giant whatever, okay, pair of static organ, okay, around the spiracle. So different insect have static organ in the different structure, not structure, in the different location. Okay. So in flying insect, the static organ are present in the base of the coastal and the subcoastal. The first vein is the coastal vein. So coastal and subcoastal vein, the coastal organ, the static organs are present for the balancing. Okay. So for the ant and bee, the hair cushion at the neck, petiole and the abdomen. Okay. And for the locust, the facial hair place are their static organs. It is the orientation of insect with respect to the gravity. Okay. Example is also there. Non-lignophilic Fasciphenes bears a pair of sac in the last abdominal segment. Okay. So last on the multipolar stress receptor. Like the mechanoreceptor which contain a bipolar neuron. Okay. That is a type 1 when that was associated with the cuticle. But this is the multipolar stress receptor. It is associated with it consists of a multipolar but type 2 neuron, okay, which connect with associated with a connective tissue or a muscle, that is connected with the mechanoreceptor are associated with the cuticle, okay, and then multipolar neuron associated with the muscle or connective tissue, and then the first one in the mechanoreceptor is the type 1 and it is the type 2, okay. Then, and the example are what? Now the Pallmann's organ. Okay, we know about the Pallmann's organ. This is the Pallmann's organ in the mayfly. Mayfly, that is the Ephemeroptera group order. And then this mayfly में Pallmann's organ present होता है. Okay, and it is the what? The stretch receptor organ. The stretching the organ produce a linear increase in the frequency of the electrophysiological response.